All right, so I'm back down here at Miller Creek today. Got the new kayak out and give it a test run. I'm loving this trolling motor already. Ain't got to worry about steering with my hands. Push of a button, it's good. This graph is amazing that's on here. Couldn't put it in my regular spot today. It was frozen back there. So I came out here to the main part of the lake, and we're gonna put this kayak through its paces today, see if we can get some fish today. Let's see what happens. All right, I'll be back later. First fish of the day right here. First fish, new kayak, first fish of the day. I'm in about 30 foot of water right now. Nice looking blue. I'm loving this new kayak. I'm not sure what he took. I don't know if this had carp on it or this one had shad. If they'd give me my hook back, I'd be happy. I'll find my pliers real quick. There we go. A nice blue. And go back in, get bigger. All right, so I spent a little bit of time out there on the main lake today. I caught a couple. Couldn't fish my normal spot. I loaded up, came back here again to see if it thawed out any, but this is what it looks like back here. Throw a rock out there, didn't even go through the ice, it just skips right across. So I found a little bit of thawed water over here on the other side where I've fished a few times. I got a couple rods out. Let's see what happens, see if there's anything back here right now. I didn't catch no bait back here, so I guess we'll see what happens.